Hi everyone, and welcome back to Toe of the Week. If you'd like to see what I did for my third Christmas toe design, stay tuned. Welcome everybody, great to see you, and it's always great to be back doing another video for you guys. This is my toe design matching those adorable Santa Claus short nails that I did on Monday, my third Christmas look. We're getting close to the actual Christmas nails, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. I have had fun doing this series with you guys of Christmas looks. I've had a lot of fun with the nail design, the toe design, and then the outfits. Now I know the toe designs you only get to see in here. You don't get to see it like in my outfits of the day because it is winter here and I'm wearing all closed toe shoe. Sometimes I will have something like, I believe Christmas, I'm going to have an open toe for you guys just because it's my Christmas shoes and I'm going to be in the house. But other than that, I apologize for that. It's just that I know that there's many of you out there in other states that it's warm and you can wear these designs with open toe. So I like to share them. Last year I didn't do that and a lot of people had requested that I do the toe designs to match too. So that's why I'm doing it this year. So I get to have cute, fun, adorable toes. It's just that when I do the outfits, it's covered, of course, from the outfits that I'm wearing, the closed toe shoe, the boots, all of that, because it is winter here. So, but anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this toe design. I hope you enjoyed this look. I will be going back to my long nails for my Christmas nails because I like them long, but I just wanted to share that with you guys, showing you that you can do art on short nails, and I am so excited. It's getting closer and closer for you guys to see the outfit, the third Christmas outfit, and where we're gonna go for this. So I love you guys very much. Let's get started on this design. God bless, take care, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Hello everyone. So here's what I chose for my third Christmas toes, matching the nails I did on Monday, an adorable Santa Claus look. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Toe of the Week. This set of toes is my third Christmas set, and it's matching the nails as always that I did on Monday. My cute, short, adorable Santa Claus nails. Now, I myself prefer long nails, so my next set that I do for my Christmas nails, they are going to be longer. I just did this for fun to show you ladies and men out there that enjoy a shorter length nail, just to show you that you can also still do art and have fun with it. And I am very much enjoying these. I just really like my nails long, so I'm going to go back for my Christmas set, and I have to. I've got a lot of bling and fun with those nails. Can't wait to show you those. But anyways, let's focus on these ones since they're my third Christmas set that I'm doing, and they're a beautiful Santa red Christmas look. I'm going to show you what I'm using for the products. I'm using all the same products I used on Monday. So for the red here, I used Insta Dry by Sally Hanson. That is called Rapid Red. I was moving a little too fast there, 280. And then I've dried everything up with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat so that I can begin with the art right away and not have to wait too long. I'm using acrylic paints by Apple Barrel. They are 50 cents at Walmart right now. I have stocked up. They're an amazing acrylic paint, so definitely look into getting these right now, especially right now when they're only 50 cents. So yeah, I got a ton. And I will be working with Robin Moses's brush here. Love her brush. It's robinmosesnailart.com. That's how you order them. This one here is called the Wand, and I also have the Unicorn. There's the end of it. Her brushes are amazing. I definitely recommend that you look into them. You order them. You can get both brushes at $18, and the shipping is so fast. You get them, like, I think I got mine within a week. It was just so quick and fast. And they are amazing brushes. If you want to just order just the one, they are $10 a piece. So look into that for sure. And then I will be using micro glitters like on here. I'm going to be working with the red micro on the red nails and just giving it a beautiful glisten. And then I'll be using the silver micro to do the belt, the Santa's belt there. And then over the snow, I'm just going to use this pure ice here, and it's just number 543. It just has a number on it. I'll link that down in the box. But I'm going to go over the snow to help the snow to glisten and just use that so it's a little bit easier. And then, of course, I will use a oil to go around because you see I'm all dried out here from using acetone. That's what happens. Your skin gets dried out, so I'll go around with the oil. I use the paparazzi. I get this from CVS. And then I will top everything off with the Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So I am going to get started on some of the snow and Santa's outfit, and I will return. All right, so I am back and I have got the fluff going on the small nails, and then I've got one done with the Santa suit starting it, and I've got a couple done here. I have left these open to show you. Here is my palette here. I start with white. I add in gray with a little bit of black and make it a gray color. I have learned that from Robin Moses. It gives it a beautiful 3D look when you use the gray first, and then you kind of sporadically go through with the white, the stark white. And I love how hers always look like, you know, just 3D like. It's just amazing. You can skip this step though and go right onto the white and not even worry about the gray. I just do it because I love that 3D look. So let me show you how I'm doing that. We're going to draw in here and we're going to go, gosh, my toes are so dry looking right now. All right, we're going to dip into this gray. And now this does not have to be an even French line because it's snow. Snow drift wouldn't look that way. So just put your brush down and just zigzag it around however you want, just making it look like a fluff. Just keeping it at the tip of the nail though. And then of course go across at the tip just to kind of, you know, cap the end with it and just do it like that. And let's see. Okay. And then the next one, again, however you want, doesn't have to be perfect. Just zigzagging your brush along to give it that snow look. And then go across the top like that. And then the big toe, we're doing Santa's suit. So we're just going to start. I'm going to get some paint on it with that same gray. And we're going to just go down the center here, making circular motions like this just to make it look like a, you know, his fluff or his fur on his jacket. And then fill in any spots you miss and then go across the bottom and be like the bottom of his jacket. Same thing, just go in circular motions like this. So it gives it that look of his fur. And then it's not even then. You don't want it even. You want it to look like his fur. Then just go across the top here. If you get any on the skin, don't worry. We can always take that off with acetone and a brush. So like that. And then I'll just clean up really quick there. Dipping a small brush into some acetone here. And just going across while it's still wet. It's much better to do it that way. Then you get it done quicker. Okay, I'm just going to grab a little bit more. And get that cleaned up there. Acrylic paint always like stays a little bit more on the skin. Don't worry about that because it comes off the second you take a bath or a shower. It comes right off the skin then. So, or wash your hands, feet. So, all right. So there's that look. I am going to then go on to the Santa's belt. I'll get his belt in and then I'll return to show you that step. All right, so it's hard to see, but I have now put in the stark white over all of them through the gray, through his suit too. I've left one open and I've left this one open to show you and his belt. I'll show you how I'm doing that. So I'm going to draw in. Maybe as I draw in, you can see then. See the snow now? It gives it that 3D look, or there's his suit, and then the snow there. It gives it like a 3D look. So let me show you how I'm doing that. Now we're going into the beautiful stark white. We're going to dip into that, and I'm just going to tap across. Just tap across like this, like stiffling. Just go across so that you leave some of that gray showing through so it looks like snow then, or like a 3D look. We're going to go through his suit and do the same thing, just stiffle through like that. Like that, so you're leaving some of the gray exposed. And if you see like on that nail, you can see what I'm talking about. It gives it that 3D look then, and it looks so cute like that. Now, I do need to let this dry up before I can go onto the belt because we don't want to run through that now and drag the white through. So I'm going to let this dry. Excuse me, let this dry, and then we'll go on to his belt. Okay, while I was waiting, I went in and did my glitter. I've left one open for you guys. There it is there. I've added the glitter to the side, and then I added in the clear top coat. So I'm just going to dip in with my brush and go right onto this nail here. Don't need too much. And just sporadically put it through the red part. It doesn't have to cover the whole nail. Just put it through so that you see that glisten like that. Probably should have drew in closer for you. But that's basically all you're doing is just getting in there. And you can also use a, just a polish, a red glitter polish. You could also use that too to go through. I just like the micro glitters, and that's why I use that. And they sell the micro glitters even at Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it. So I got mine from Joanne Fabrics, but you can also get them from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm not going to put any glitter on the Santa suit. I'm going to leave that just red like that, like I did my nails on Mondays. So we're going to let this dry up, and we'll return to show you the belt. All right, while I was waiting again, I thought I would get the white snow covered with this polish here, and I will show you how I'm doing that. I am just brushing over, kind of just tapping it in really. So I'm just getting a little bit on the brush, and I'll show you. Just a little bit on the brush there, and I'm just gonna tap it right into the white part there, just to give that snow that beautiful little bit of glisten like snow has. So just like that. Again, we're gonna leave Santa's suit alone because his doesn't have the sparkle, since that's a suit and not snow. So, but anyways, now that is all done, and now we're just gonna wait to do the belt. It's almost dry, and I will return to show you the belt part. All right, now we can work on his belt. So I'm gonna draw in here and just move over here so you guys can see this, and I'm just gonna dip in and get a little bit of just pure black right here. Just get a little bit on my brush. You don't need too much, like that. And then I'm just going to just go across, making a belt. So you just want to just kind of go wide with it, like this, and just start going across the suit here. Pretty easy to do this part, just like on the nails. It was pretty easy to do. Just work slow if you're nervous about it or whatever. Just work slow, and you're just going a straight line across, but having it wider because it is his belt. So you just want to make sure that you get all of that colored in so you see his belt really good. Go down into the corner. Don't worry about, again, like I said, if it hits the skin, very easy to clean up. But yeah, you need this a little bit wider because it is his belt. So there is that, and I will do the cleanup quick while you're on here with me. Just again, dip into some acetone in a small brush and just go around the corner like that. I'll pull it out a little bit to get that off, like that. And go in there a little bit more fine. Like that. There we go. And again, if there's any left over, don't worry. It'll definitely come off when you take your first shower or bath. So, all right, now we're going to let both of those dry, and I'm going to go on to the silver buckle. All right, I'm going to show you really quick how I make this mixture. So you just put out a little bit of glitter, and I learned this one again from Robin Moses. I put out the glitter, just pour out the glitter, and you take your, your clear or whatever, and pour it to the side of it, like that. And then you're going to use your brush and mix it through. So let me make sure my brush is clean. And we're going to mix it here. Mix, just pulling your glitter into it. That way you know how much glitter you're getting. If you want it thicker or finer, you just move it into your, your clear polish there. So that's that. Now we're going to do the belt. We're going to get some on the belt here. I just wanted to show you how you make that. I'm going to get a little bit more in here because that was a little bit fine. So you learn how to mix it then. So we're going to draw in here. Move this over so you can see. And I'm just going to dip in now and get my glitter on my brush. And I'm just going to do a box, a square. So I'm just going to go down through his suit like that. Then I'm going to go across. And then get a little bit more again. Go down and across. And you just get your base, your outline or whatever, and then you can go back through and make it more opaque, like making the glitter more visible. So I'm just fixing it like that now, and just go through like that. And there is his cute, adorable Santa suit with his belt. So I am going to do the other one, and then all that's left is to do my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, my oil, and I will return to show all of you the finished product. Alrighty, I am all done, and aren't these adorable? For one, I love red toes, and oh my gosh, I'm loving the Santa Claus suit nails. I love them. They look just as great as the nails. I'm just having so much fun with these. How cute. Can't believe Christmas is almost here, you guys. But anyways, definitely try this look out. It was easy and fun. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in my very next video. Take care and God bless.